Hey guys, so I had this DeWalt in the back of my truck and I was using a generator to power it, and then one day it kind of slowed down a little bit, and then I started plugging it in my shop and in the house, and no go. Couldn't find anything online as to how to fix it, if there were any other options other than to throw the dang thing away after 2 years. You can see it's only 2 years old, not even, and was something that my father had purchased before he passed away. So the last thing I want to do is throw the thing away. So I tore it all down, only to find out that when you look in the back, you can see there's a 16. That is a reset button. So if your air compressor, which they call these the 2 hot dog something or other, doesn't fire off, don't do what I did and tear it all apart only to find that little 16 there. Just reach in there with your finger or a screwdriver and reset it, because that's all it is. It's probably just a reset that needs to be reset. Thanks for watching.